Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I would like to welcome you to our LEED certification for building projects webinar. Kindly note that there will be an ongoing parallel Q&A where you can ask our team any questions you have and you will be answered. But make sure you put your questions in the Q&A section. First of all, let me or allow me to introduce myself. This is Mohammed Al Hassan from the business development and sales team. And with me, Engineer Waseem, who is our energy expert engineer. We will be navigating you through this presentation today. Introducing the speakers, myself, Mohammed, I hold a 7 years experience in power grid and automation and with experience in business development in the fields of manufacturing and engineering consultancy. I hold a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering from King Fahd University. As I said, I will be taking you through the first part of the presentation, which is the general presentation. And then I will be handing the mic over to Engineer Waseem, our energy expert, who holds more than 14 years of experience in energy. And he specializes in LEED certification and green building design. His expertise also in building building energy conservation code compliance, and he is also proficient in energy optimization through whole building energy modeling. He is certified Energy Plus consultant by the U.S. Department of Energy, and he holds certifications including LEED, APPD plus C, Mustadam AP, and CEM from AE. As for our agenda, I would like to thank you again for joining us for our Sustainability Solutions webinar. In this webinar, we will be discussing various phases of our sustainability solutions, as well as introducing you to the LEED rating system and our expertise in this field. So let's take a look at the agenda for today's presentation. First of all, we will start it with an introduction about DAR. Then we will be giving you an overview about the sustainability solutions. Also, we will be talking about the concept phase, design phase, construction phase, and the whole project life cycle phase. Then we will be moving to the other value additions. Then the softwares we are using. Then we will be moving also to LEED rating system, categories and requirements, certification process, methodology and approach, our expertise on projects in this field, and we will end it with the Q&A. So let's delve into the details of each project. Let me provide you with some information before we dive into the details about Dar company. Our company, Dar Engineering, is a leading multidisciplinary consultancy firm with over 1,700 professionals and experts. We have successfully completed more than 850 projects and currently have over 150 ongoing projects in various areas and fields of consultancy. Our expertise spans across different industries, allowing us to deliver comprehensive solutions to our clients. Now, let's take a look at our geographical presence. We have a strong project portfolio in KSA, with the majority of our projects located there. Additionally, we have successfully executed projects in Africa and Europe. And to support our operations, we have offices not only in KSA, but also in Europe, Asia, and Africa. At Dar, we specialize in providing consultancy services in various fields. Our specialisms include consultancy in environment and sustainability, engineering, architecture and design, power system planning and studies, and specialized services. Our team of experts possesses the knowledge and the experience to deliver sustainable solutions and help our clients meet their goals effectively. We are proud to have collaborated with a diverse range of clients and partners who share our commitment to sustainability. Some of our esteemed clients and partners include Roshan, Ministry of Culture, Kafa'a, Seven, to name a few. By working together, we have been able to create sustainable and environmentally friendly solutions that make a positive impact on our communities. Sustainable buildings are at the core of our expertise. Dar's team of experts, including our esteemed engineer Waseem, uh, plays a crucial role in helping developers, contractors, and consultants meet their sustainability goals effectively. The building sector plays a pivotal role in achieving the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals, with 11 of these goals being directly impacted by sustainable building practices. The ones we're going to cover today are marked with a hand sign, as you can see here in this slide. Now I will hand over the microphone to Engineer Waseem, who will provide more technical insights and elaborate on how our expertise contributes to the development of sustainable buildings. Before handing over the mic to Engineer Waseem, please note that after this written Q&A, which is going to be in parallel with the whole presentation, at the end we will be having a live Q&A session. So thank you for listening. Now moving to Engineer Waseem. Thank you.
Hi, thank you, Mohammed. Hi, everyone. Thank you for attending this seminar. And as Mr. Mohammed explained regarding UN sustainability goals, so out of 17, 11 goals are directly impact with the building solution, and case is the one of the part to help in these sustainability goals. So how we can achieve these sustainability goals? Uh, in our company, we are providing the certification to achieve these sustainability goals. There are different type of certification, LEED, WELL, Mustadam, and ARC, Park Smart. So all these certifications are give sustainability goals and the target to achieve this sustainability solution. Since DAR is a member of USGBC, we do the coordination with the USGBC and help you how we can meet requirement of the sustainability solution and do the coordination with USGBC to achieve the points. Some of the certification framework you can see here, like LEED, WELL, and Mustadam. So these certification more and less are common in each other. And nowadays in KSA market, the people are going for the LEED certification and combination of LEED Mustadam because both are having a same approach. And some hospital project, which is healthcare project, are going for the LEED and WELL certification. So LEED, as you know about, they more focus on the building energy saving, and the WELL certification is focused more on the human wellness program. And the Mustadam is same like LEED, but having you can say the only we can have this in KSA. So this is a local certification in KSA in Mustadam. So why we implement sustainability? Like there are you can say the three pillars in sustainability, which is like planet, profit, and the people. And with the help of these three pillars, we enable environmental compliance and financial, you can say the help to the project, and also the reduce the operating cost, which is like, the major concern regarding the client. Okay. So they are having a two type of cost. One is CapEx and other is OpEx. So CapEx can be vary depending upon the operating cost. Okay. if you are willing to invest something and you are getting a good ROI, return on investment, within like less than 10 years, 8 years or 7 years, so this is a good option to do the investment in the building. And the third one is the people, and you can say the healthy environment for the people. Also, like sustainability help nowadays has a good marketing approach for you. Like this is one of the good pillar. Some of the MNCs are coming here in KC and they need the building and they want to rent the building which is already LEED certified. So we help you with different phases. We help from the concept design stage till construction. So we take care about the sustainability design consultancy from the concept stage. With the help of different tools and technology, we help during the design stage with the building energy simulation, lighting, CFD, thermal comfort, and also we help you in the construction stage and post construction stage, which is like also a very important thing. So one of the important part we play sustainability design consultancy is like building optimization, which is like a major thing for the client to do the initial decision while we are changing the building shape, building orientation. So during the concept stage, we help you with different energy analysis, optimization analysis, which can help the client to choose a best orientation based building, and to choose also the facade effectiveness. So as you know, like a main thing is like the building operation consumption, which is like how we can reduce the building annual energy consumption. So with the help of this technology, we help you to understand what will be the best solution fit for this building in this orientation. And we also do like solar isolation analysis, shading optimization. Since the KSA climate is very hot and dry and very hot and humid, so we are having a two major climate here, and the third one is like Abha region, which is like cold climate. So most of the building design in these two regions. So to optimize this, we do the study from the concept stage till the design stage. So building energy consultancy service, this is a service like we are proposing energy conservation measures, different ECM to our client, to you, and we know about what is the energy consumption in the building. So we create the mathematical model of the building and incorporate all the architecture and MEP inputs in that building. And we put you can say the weather file, you can say live weather file with and the building run for 8,760 hours, and we got the result. And if there are any energy conservation required in the building, if the client is willing to change a glass type, color, and windows, and efficiency of the MEP system, lighting, so everything we study during the concept, schematic, and the design stage. And we are more focused how we can save more and more client operation cost. And this further, if we see this energy simulation, first we reduce the building energy consumption, then we move to the net zero energy, which is like with the help of the renewable energy, this building become a net zero building. The lighting consultancy, like as we know, lighting is a very big issue, and after the HVAC, we pay a big cost to the lighting. And now some of the client, like they focus how we can easily control and reduce the electricity bill. So we help you to understand the concept and the schematic design, and we do the analysis for the daylighting, and also the what will be the lighting power density for the project meet what is the code compliance. And we, while designing the building, we take care about the codes ASHRAE 90.1 and also SBC 601 602 code. We are also helping you to understand like a site management consultancy. It is like a very important thing. most of the client, they face the problem during the construction, because the contractor, they are having a lump sum contract and they want to complete the contract within the budget, and client is having some sustainability target. So the contractor wants to tell the client, okay, this service is not available, this material is not available in the KSM market. So what we do, we help our client during the construction. We check and we do the monitoring for the procurement. We also do the monitoring for the waste management during the construction, and also help you to understand the post construction IAQ management, which is like also very important before the occupancy. Green building commissioning consultancy, this is also one of like a major thing in the building design, since like if the red part of, you can see the pre-commissioning is a part of, you can in the design part, and the blue and the gray is like we do during the construction system and the envelope commissioning. So if the equipment is already efficient and they required the equipment installed on the site, then we have to check the efficiency of the equipment, like TEB taps, which is like the fresher requirement for the window we already put in our design, but it is actually happening on the site or no. So this is also the evidence required. So we help you to understand and to help you in the building commissioning consultancy. So as we discussed already, there are like different solutions in the market, green building project plan, and there are different certification, Edge, Mustadam, LEED, WELL, and True certification. So further, we are going to be explained regarding the LEED certification steps and the process. And before going that, I also want to show you the software I'm using right now in the company. So there are some tools we are using as a sustainability software. Design builder solution. Okay, this tool is help me to know about the building energy consumption. Also help me to understand the lighting analysis, day lighting, and the lighting power analysis we are doing with this tool. And design builder also help in CFD. So this is the tool we are using for lighting, and there are other tools also, Lightenza and the IES software. So we are using this software also in our company to know about the consumption of the building as a lighting. Similar for the energy analysis. So this is also the whole building energy simulation. So we are doing the simulation with the help of design builder, IES, and Energy Plus. Energy Plus is basically an engine developed by the US Department of Energy, and this is the engine most of the tools are using and recognized by the USGPC. And IES is also the another tool which is also a very good tool. Nowadays, some of the people are demanding to work in the IES. And the third one is we are using life cycle analysis with the help of one-click LCA, and we are also doing the EPD, Environmental Product Declaration certification for the product. So further, we are just proceeding towards to uh, building certification V4 BD plus C. As you know, all USGBC and LEED certification. This is a non-profit organization developed in 1993 and promotes the green building. Okay, so LEED launched version V1 in 1998, and further the version are revised in 2000, 2002, 2005, and nowadays version 4 is right now running, 4 and 4.1. So basically all these versions having an update regarding the minimum requirements. The lead is updating. Before it was less, then they a little bit increased the minimum requirement in percentage of the saving from the baseline. And since the lead is changing this because the market is changing. So after implementation of the program, the you can say the manufacturer, they start making the equipments, and you can say the HVAC equipment with the high efficiency. With we are having a nowadays very good walls, which can we achieve zero point 0.2, you can say the U value, similar for the roof. So once the codes are there in the market and market start doing and manufacturing as per the code requirements. So lead is planning version 5 in 2025 next year. So there are a different type of certification in the lead. There are five, you can say the major. One is the BD plus C, building design and construction. So most of the projects, the new projects are going under the certification of BD plus C. Then we are having another interior design and construction, which is the ID plus C. So if you are planning to rent an office in 20 floor building, so you need only the certification for your office or for your floor. So this certification is best for you. And third one is the building operation maintenance. Okay, this certification is also very important. And recently, like if some client they achieve lead gold, lead platinum, and now they are planning for building operation maintenance, so they might be not reach to platinum, they might be not reach to gold or certified, because all this depend upon the practice how the building is running. So there are some buildings even I saw here in Riyadh, they got the gold, but during building operation maintenance, it was very difficult to achieve the certificate for them. The building operator is very important in this certification program, and it will filter everything for you. It will give you what is your EUI, energy utilization index, what is your water consumption, what is your energy consumption. So everything you can see live while doing this certification. And this is a good approach where you can also make energy conservation measures and make the KPIs for the building. And in this, like some of the client I saw here in one of the client in Riyadh, they was running four chiller there was, and four cooling tower. So I visit the plant, I saw one chiller was running and there was three cooling towers are running with the plant, and all are on manual mode. So the skill of the people are very important in the maintenance and operation. The fourth one is the neighborhood and development, ND, which is like for community where you are having residents and offices, schools. And the last fifth one is the homes, which is all, this is for the villas and the apartments. So there are different categories in the lead, which is like you can see the down integrated process, location, transportation, material resources, water and efficiency, energy and atmosphere, sustainability side, indoor environmental quality, innovation, and regional priority. So these are the basic chapters in the lead where we have to review everything of the project under these categories. And these categories full they do the complete review of our mechanical design, of our architecture design, acoustic, energy, water, everything is covered under this category. And in this category, some are very important and very efficiency. Like out of these, the energy and efficiency is most important and cover 33% of points in the lead scorecard. So total scorecard, we are having 110 points, and each category is providing the different score, and total we have to maintain above 40. So I'll just want to show you here that in the lead certification there are two type of credits. One is prerequisite, which is compulsory, and other is the credits number of point. So these prerequisites are compulsory, or you can say the credit. Without this, we cannot go for certification. And a number of points will allow us to go different type of rating in the level, like which level we are going to be in the lead. So total we are having a score 110, and this prerequisite does not carry any score. Just we have to comply with the requirements. So if I want to show you here in the next slide, there are the four level of certification in the lead. One is like lead certified, other is silver, gold, and platinum. And we have to achieve 40 to 49 to achieve certified, then silver, 50 to 59, 60 to 79 for the gold, and platinum above 80. So since in the KSA market, the SBC Saudi building code become more stringent, and if we are applying, making the building from SBC and all the code compliance from the KSA, so easily we are able to achieve the certified without doing any investment. So does not need any investment from the client side, and they can easily achieve the certified in their project. Further, if you are planning to achieve silver and gold, minor, you can say the cost required in the silver certification, and it little bit major in the gold. And platinum, definitely they required a complete renewable energy to achieve this platinum certification. So we are just going through here how this process works. So integrated process, where this is like intent how what will be the energy and water requirement in our building, and we do meeting with the architects and MEP to understand them, or what how we are going to be do saving for this building. And it consists of different type of the indoor water demand, outdoor water demand, or the targets we set during this integrated process, and what will be the certification target for our building. So location transportation is a major thing. And in this like process, we encourage how we can able to do the saving in the parking footprint, and what will the percentage for the green vehicle and surrounding and density diversity use. So in this process, we help you to understand like what will be the the low hanging fruits we can easily achieve from location transportation, and what will be the targets in this stage. Further, if we are going for sustainability side, in this like most of the problem we are having during the construction, and the client is facing the problem during the construction activities with the contractor. So we help you to develop sedimentation soil erosion plan, and also we do the monitoring on the site. And we also help you to know about different options, how we can reuse the water, how we can do heat island reduction. So rainwater management is one of the part in the lead where it does not require much you can say the investment in the project. If we are able to make the tank to collect the water, and if we can charge the ground, so it can be easily you can say manageable without doing any major investment. And we in the water and efficiency, like as you know about water is very important in KSA, and it is a very limited resource on the earth also. So we focus in the water indoor and outdoor efficiency. Indoor is like the water fixtures we are using right now. So what will be the solution, best solution for the project, and what is the maximum saving we can do for indoor water efficiency. And for outdoor water efficiency is comes with the landscape irrigation requirement, and you can say the how much the landscape required the water. So we do the study, and we help you during your design. We take all the data from the consultant. Then we choose the adaptive and native plants need to be required in this category. We prepare the calculator. We help landscape team what will the best solution, and we are putting the target to achieve minimum 50% saving in outdoor water efficiency. And the water metering is also like a best solution to capture and monitor the data of irrigation and the indoor water consumption. And this is also very helpful while if there is any leakage in the water consumption. uh, Next, we are focusing on the energy and atmosphere credit. So in this energy and atmosphere, like after the water, like energy is the major demand, and it's increasing the demand day by day. The demand is increasing. And while designing the building, the most important thing is how we can reduce the energy consumption. So we implement a building energy model, and we use HVAC system design to have maximum efficiency of the building. Similar, we create another model which is based on the ASHRAE 90.1, and two models we create as a parallel, and we also implement all the measures in that model, and we compare both the model, our proposed design, and the baseline, which is like ASHRAE 90.1. And in this model, we incorporate all lighting, HVAC, building envelope, renewable energy, and we compare both the model and see what is the energy saving we are doing in this building. And we also propose you what will be the efficiency target for this building. As per the LEED, like we have to maintain minimum like a 10% energy saving from the baseline. And most of the project they are achieving 25%. Some projects are also net zero. They have total renewable energy. So I'll show you in the end what are the different projects and what are the different energy saving they are doing. And material and the resources is like another, you can say, the major category in the LEED sustainability design. The construction, demolition, waste management. So implementation of the waste segregation is very important, highly important in the both building, the new and existing building. And with the help of like monitoring program, we have to reduce the landfill requirement, and we divert the waste from the landfill almost like 75% in our projects. And recycle content, like whatever the material we are purchasing from the market supposed to be have a recycle and regional material. And environmental product declaration is the one of the right now certification which is late request in the credit. And this certificate is nowadays is available in the KSM market for the materials. All you can say most of the rebars and some of the concretes and windows glass. So most of the materials having the EPD certificate. And we also do the life cycle assessment, which also help the lead point also and the client to understand the carbon consumption of the building. Indoor environmental quality is help to understand what is the fresh air requirement for our building, and where we have to put the no smoking signages, because all the building is using the fresh air. Sometime we are having a fresher duct and someone is smoking next to that duct. So we do the review of the building, we know what signage, where we have to put the signages for the no smoking. And the fresher requirement as per the ASHRAE 62.1, what will be the fresher requirement of each building and room, we review it. And we also help you to understand the daylighting acoustic requirement for the building. uh, Going here innovation, like since we are right now in the KSA market, and we know about water is the one of the major thing in the KSA. And in innovation, we have to show to USGBC what are the innovation thing we implement in our project. This innovation carries around 6 points in total in the lead. And in this there are different way to help in innovation, like there are green, you can say the operation maintenance kit we can provide. We can do the and more 100% energy conservation water by implementation of TS tank or gray water system, which can help you, like there will be no, this water can be used in outdoor irrigation, and the zero electricity bill, zero water bill we can have. And here I just want to explain more about certification process, how this process work. So LEED BD plus C certification process start with the feasibility study. So there is a feasibility study we do for the project. Then after doing the feasibility study, all the things are implemented in the project, and we do the registration with the USGBC. After the registration, there are the step we have to submit our complete project to USGBC for the review. It took around like 30 working days to come back with us. They come back with the comments and the remarks. Then again, we replied them the final review, and it took around 30 days. And after 30 days, there will be award of certificate. So there are two type of process here. The process of certification, option 1 and option 2, you can see in my screen. So option 1 is the split certification, where we do the design submission. Then this will be forwarded to the contractor, and contractor will be responsible for the construction submission. So in the option number 2, here the complete submission. In the end, there will be no design submission. Design and construction will be in, you can say, the one shot. So most of the project in KSA are going with the option 1, which like 95% projects are going with them, because the design, they want to just make sure all design credits are achieved and the contractor are different. So give the responsibility to the contractor. So this is the two type of process here. So lead project administration and process schedule. So here I just want to show you there are the process we are maintaining. Like we start with the minimum compliance assessment for the lead certification. Then we do the lead online registration for you, feasibility study with the coordination with all MEP and architecture team, and we do the validation for the documentation, then the construction stage validation and documentation, and finally we give the submission to USGBC. And same, the USGBC take around 30 working days, and there will be a final submittal to USGBC, and 30 working days again to receive the certificate. So this is the complete process maintaining USGBC certification. So let's start some more interactive Q&A if someone is having. Zeba and Ifam.
Thank you so much, sir. There is one question. What has been your most challenging and or rewarding project to work on?
Uh, okay, so again, Zeba, what was the question?
What has been your most challenging and or rewarding project to work on?
Yeah, correct. So, okay, this thank you, Zeba, for this question. It was like some of the projects are really very challenging, and we faced the challenge once the baseline is strong and the project proposed case is weak. So, we can give the example of this, like some of the projects having a baseline chiller, which is like water cooled chillers having a COP 6.1, and the client wants to propose with the air cooled chiller. So this become little bit challenging for us. So we have to see the and grab the saving from some other envelope or some lighting envelope and some other you can say the efficient AHUs and FCUs. So this is a major thing for us to target, and in some 2 3 projects like are that, and nowadays like most of the project people are now not going towards water cool chiller. They are most of the time they are going for air cool chiller. Hope I answered this question. uh, any other question?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
hi.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, if I'm, yeah.
Uh, Yeah, and there's one more question. Under the innovation credit, as discussed on the slide number 37, to achieve maximum 5 point, a project must achieve at least one pilot credit, at least one innovation credit, and not more than two exemplary performance credit. So in this case, for if we leave the two exemplary performance credit, then there is a possibility of achieving full point if we attempt more innovation credit and pilot credit.
Yes, if we can achieve like 3 points only, and we must have to achieve 2 points in auxiliary performance. Like we have to increase our EP to gain full points in innovation category.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
so okay, what are some of the key consideration for optimization energy efficiency of HVAC system while maintaining good indoor air quality, thermal comfort for the building occupant? Yeah, this is okay. In this is a very good question because we have to maintain our energy and efficiency, and also maintain indoor air quality. So while we are doing this, one of the credit in the lead, which is like in IAQ category, they are asking about if we can increase 30% more indoor air quality. So we normally does not try to go with this option. We use some other option in IAQ, which is like we have to maintain you can say entrance mat, and we can also use CO2 sensor in the common, or you can say densely occupied area. So while doing this, we can easily maintain, you can say IEQ, indoor air quality, as per the ASHRAE. Second, we have to optimize energy and efficiency. So to optimize energy and efficiency, normally like people give different type of solution. One is the Hartman loop system, where your HVAC is supposed to become with VRF system. Your AHUs will be VRF. So the complete system will be based on the VRF system. So in this, you can optimize the maximum efficiency from HVAC, and there are some of the other option like if the building is unoccupied, so what will be the unoccupied schedule. So some of the other project we have saw here in Riyadh, where we have did some of the saving while playing from the schedule. So its schedule schedule is very important in HVAC, where you can easily do the saving in you can say the building design also, or you can say the existing building also.
There is one more question, that how LEED certification enhance their marketability and brand reputation for clients. So I want to answer this question, if you allow me, Waseem sir.
Yeah, yes, Ziba, you can answer it.
Thank you. So, since if a building is a LEED certified, then investors or buyer who are more towards sustainability goals, they would like to buy such properties. And since a building is a LEED certified, the building endure environment quality or natural light, so it increase the overall efficiency of the occupants. It increase the productivity of the employees. So yeah, it will increase the marketability and brand reputation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ziba. So I just want to thank you here, and I'll just forward my mic to Mr. Mohammed.
Thank you, Waseem, for this informative presentation about this interesting topic. I would like to extend my thanks to everyone who attended this presentation. We appreciate your presence, and thank you for your listening. We will be arranging similar webinars in the coming, let's say, short term, in the short future and in the near future. And looking forward to your participation in the upcoming webinars. Thank you so much.